I'm gonna show you how to transform your makeup sponges from looking something like this to this. So this is like the most frequently asked question, that is how to clean makeup sponges. So I thought, why not sit down and show you guys how I clean my makeup sponges, so that anytime in future I get this question, I can just simply refer this video to you guys. With that being said, if you are here after my reference, hello from the future. Alright, so before we begin, if you're new here, hi, my name is Indu. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1, I like to use this kind of a container just because when I put the lid on, the sponges settles down and absorbs all of that liquid. Step 2, I like to use detergent powder to clean my makeup sponges. I take around this much quantity and I simply fill up the container with normal tap water. Try not to use hot water because I have heard that using hot water ruins your sponges. So I like to use tap water only. And here are the dirty sponges. You can take a look at them before I clean them. I know they look pretty gross right now. Next, I'm gonna simply throw in the sponges and let them sit for around 7 to 8 hours. To be honest, I like to keep them for overnight because that way I save time and then I don't have to wait for the sponges to get cleaned. I have built up a habit of cleaning my sponges after every 1 or 2 uses, so that way they don't end up getting too dirty and I also maintain the hygiene of them. And then I'll simply squeeze out all of that water and see how easily all of that foundation and makeup is coming off. I'll continue doing it until the water runs completely clear. Cleaning your makeup sponges in this kind of a method also ensures that you do not waste too much water, because that is something that you definitely don't want to do. And for the last final cleaning, I like to take a bar soap and rub the sponge against the soap and then again squeeze out all of that water. Whatever remaining makeup will be there, it will just come off easily. And then I like to take a clean cloth and squeeze out all of that remaining water and then let it dry in open air. Please remember, do not store it in airtight place, otherwise it will grow molds in there and ruin the sponge. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. I like to store my damp makeup sponges in this kind of a mesh pouch, so that way they can dry up easily on their own and there is no airtight situation going on. With that being said, that was it for today's video. Just let me know in the comment section below whether all your queries are cleared up or not. And if you still have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. I will definitely answer them for you guys. And if you like the video, then you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.